Hello. In the previous video, I explained how to prepare the test case for automation testing of mobile. There are two ways to execute a test case, either using GUI or using test hubs. In this video, I will explain how to execute the test case for mobile using GUI. To start the execution, click on the Execute Test Case button. From the pop-up, click on Via GUI button. Under Via GUI button, click on the Automation button. It will open the RIDE. Wait till the RIDE opens. Click on the test case by checking the checkbox button. It will open the Edit tab. Now go to the Run tab and edit the arguments by giving the same name as the test case name. That is MA underscore calculator underscore PC underscore 001. Now click on the Start button to start the execution. You can see the test case being executed on your phone. The test case has been executed successfully. Now you have to click on the report button to see the report of the executed test case. Click on the click on the log button to see the log of the test case. And again click on the report button if you wish to go back to the report of the test case. Once the test case is executed, you can close the RIDE. This is how you have to execute a test case for mobile. In the next video, I will explain how to analyze the results which is executed in this step. To post your projects, visit our website TestOnNeed.com. For further assistance, contact us on sales@testonneed.com. Do connect with us on our Twitter and LinkedIn accounts. Stay tuned. Thank you.